Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Hyperbola. Concept of hyperbola. We know that when a plane intersects a cone at any place other than the vertex, then angle beta is less than angle alpha. Where beta is the angle between the plane and axis of the cone, and alpha is the angle between the axis and generator of the cone. That is, beta is less than alpha. Plane intersect both the nappy of the cone, then the resulting curve is hyperbola. Hyperbola has two curves which are mirror images of each other.